Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we'll be talking about crypto staking, how to understand crypto staking, what's crypto staking, and how to start using it and making money or passive income using your crypto just by staking them. We'll go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, we start our video here by the basics. What's staking in the first place? What's crypto staking? Well, like a lot of things here in the crypto, staking can be a complicated idea or a simple one, depending on you and how to view it and how many level of understanding you have to unlock. So for a lot of users knowing crypto already, staking is a way of earning rewards while holding into a certain cryptocurrencies in the key takeaway. But even if you're just looking to earn some staking rewards, it's useful to understand a little bit more and to dig deeper into the whole concept of crypto staking. How does staking work? Well, staking uses your crypto as an asset that they are kind of locking away. They're not taking away, they're locking away for a certain period of time and giving you incentives, giving you returns on your investment on a yearly basis, monthly basis, daily basis, whatever. This you can just review on your contract when you're signing it online, of course, for staking, or you're just ticking the box that you accept the terms and conditions, so you can see what kind of percentage you will be getting for your crypto once you're starting staking them. The popular staking can be for Bitcoin, Ethereum, even USDT, USD Tether, that you can stake that rather than just losing money, leaving your money in the back. You can transfer it one-to-one to the US dollars, but online, and you can start using this to get potential passive income as well. So it's somehow an easy and straightforward concept, but all in the online realm of things over here, and all in the blockchain technology or based on the blockchain technology. And here you will find that the proof of stake, that was also a new term or a relatively new term for Ethereum. Before Ethereum moved from proof of work to proof of stake, that kind of changed the game a little bit for Ethereum. Ethereum used to have a lot of kind of hate, or just people were angry at Ethereum because Ethereum used to be a proof of work, meaning that people have to mine Ethereum a lot and consume a lot of energy. But now it's a proof of stake rather than just proof of work. So this will give you a little bit of an idea what's staking, but in general it's just locking your money away and getting passive income on your locked away money for a certain period of time. And now staking is so popular and so widely recognized now because many people are considering the 2022 to be the bubble year of crypto, and that caused many people to think about better ways to store the value of their money even in a bear market, and even also when the market is going sideways. So instead of just getting into cryptos and buying and selling and trading and potentially losing, you can just transfer your money, get a stable percentages on your locked crypto, and this will be a safer approach for some people, of course, depending on you and your financial abilities and your financial understanding. You will find this more appealing concept or appealing strategy here to keep the value of your crypto or to keep the value of your savings or your money. So that can be very good for many people, but it's becoming so popular after the last year because many people got hit so hard by the bubble or the kind of decrease in value for many crypto. So people are just looking for alternatives to keep their money going or to keep the percentages of their cash flow going. So staking can work in your favor. Staking can be a very good example of that. And also you can get, with staking, you can get involved in the NFT and the DeFi sector. So the DeFi sector also provides you, or decentralized finance, this will provide you with even more options and more realms of getting more incentives and getting more money for your crypto. And popular platforms also are offering staking. The major platforms offering staking, of course, Binance, KuCoin, Nextcoin, and Kraken, and also you have Coinbase, and you have many others. Everyone is talking about crypto staking, and everyone is somehow moving towards crypto staking, especially when the market is going sideways or the market is not really that appealing for many people. So it's somehow safer option to keep your money generating potentially some percentage rather than just throwing it in a project or a coin or just getting into a wrong trade and potentially losing in a bear market. So that can be a much safer option. But let's talk more about DeFi. What's DeFi and how to start using or actually getting involved in DeFi, decentralized finance as well. The decentralized finance in a nutshell is an emerging financial technology based on secure database or distributed ledgers similar to those by cryptocurrencies, meaning it's used uses the same exact concept as blockchain, and of course it differs from centralized finances. Centralized finances meaning that one big institution or one big major kind of governing institution can control the whole finances, but no, DeFi, it's scattered all over the blockchain, and this will give many advantages, of course, over centralized finances. And you will find that decentralized finances, or the term DeFi, is being used quite recently a lot, and it's a peer-to-peer financial network, meaning that you can just send money, receive money, you can send assets, you can receive assets, you can send NFTs, you can receive NFTs without the centralized financial concept. But of course each one of them has its own rule, and each one of them has to be regulated in a way to be in a fully legal form. So you will need to inform yourself more about it, and you will know also that the DeFi is the future. Decentralized finance is the future, but you will also need to know that it's still in progress in terms of being fully complete and fully capable of doing everything you would expect it to do. And of course in DeFi you will have staking in DeFi. So here this article will be talking about the DeFi staking. That's a beginner's guide to proof of stake POS coins, meaning that you can find some coins on the DeFi network here, or the decentralized finances, that use the proof of stake, and this can be a good beginning for you, or a good initiation for you to have the staking journey beginning, meaning that you can choose a coin that offers a proof of stake. You can lock these coins away, and you can get percentage every single month or every single year, depending on your choice, of course. And you can read more here and inform yourself more. But in a nutshell, how does DeFi staking work? It's just inherently related to the POS blockchain, meaning that proof of stake blockchain, you can lock your money away and you will get some percentages. Let's say you lock 100 coins away and they will give you 10% over the year, meaning that next year, the exact same time, you will be owning 110 and you haven't done anything, you haven't lifted the finger, you haven't done any effort whatsoever. Your money is just increasing by being staked, and they're staking this money, using it for yielding farms and liquidity mining and so on. And you can familiarize yourself with all these topics over here, so everything is linked down below in the description. You can get yourself more involved and informed about the situation and educate yourself more, of course, about this topic. And here you can earn passive income from DeFi staking as well. You know, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, and all of these, they're offering rewards to those who want to put their assets at stake, meaning that you can expect to gain return on your investment quite easily and quite lucratively. Actually, some people are getting more than 20, 30, 40% even, but that's during a bull market. During a bear market, things can go slightly different and things can go sideways. So you need to understand what's the difference between a bear market and a bull market, and how the percentages are calculated and differing from each other, so you can choose a good contract of staking before you just dive deep into it. So I would say staking is quite important, and it's quite popular, and it's even becoming more and more popular every single day. So as an investor or as an end customer, you will need to understand and inform yourself what's going on and what you're involving yourself in. So I would highly recommend you to check all these information and to educate yourself more about it. And as I'm telling you, staking is quite simple and easy and straightforward formula. You get an amount of crypto, you stake it, you put it into stake for a certain period of time, and then you get rewards. As simple as that. That's the best way to explain it. Quite similar to giving your money to the bank, but here it's more in a wide variety of choices for coins and for percentages. And you as an end customer, you're choosing what kind of investment you want to make with what kind of project, and you can accept or refuse, of course, the percentages you're given. So the choice is all yours, and that's the power of DeFi and blockchain.
So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about all crypto staking. What's staking, how to start getting around staking, and how to familiarize yourself with the concept of staking. So I would highly recommend you to check the links down below, educate yourself more, get yourself more informed about the topic, because it's somehow better than just leaving your crypto lying aside. You can potentially make some additional passive income if you choose your crypto staking wisely. So I would say get yourself more informed and educated about the topic before, of course, doing anything. And everything I talked about in the description down below, feel free to check it out. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and till next time, bye bye.